All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening. So I managed to connect it now for some minutes or hours. I don't know because I've told us that we are struggling to get it, to stream live. But finally, we managed to get it right now. Hopefully, it will take us to this one. I don't know how long they will stop it. I don't know. So just bear with us as we are streaming this. Make sure you are join us and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. So please put your comments once you come across this live broadcast. I expect you to put your comments so that I will know that you are here. It's always good for you to put the comments before we start the program, although we are not going to spend long time here, like I told you. We are going through some challenges um, that may require some time to fix. So, as you can see, we have not been streaming often like we normally do. Throughout yesterday, we didn't stream because of the same similar reason. Also, blessed, I see you. You are the first to make comments. You said good morning from here, Mazika report. Good morning to you. I hope all is well with you. So, what you have there in the title is the reason why that is where we're going to center this conversation. We are here to dismantle their lies and propaganda propaganda of this for by fake Brgie, of course, which is Ogenkere group. So we are here to do justice to that. Many of you are aware, if you are on X, what I'm about to say now may not be strange to you. I believe some of you have seen that. So looking at the picture on the screen, you will see the picture of Sonat Barawa and all these their fake VOP media and all that. I saw a post made by Eunice BP bragging that they are getting views even in the midst of World Cup and all that. I know that she's a saboteur. I know that she's wired to criminalize everything, to manipulate and hijack. She's just one of those instruments of destruction, and she has been doing her best to make sure that she deceives those that allow her to be deceived, to deceive her, to deceive them rather. She's doing all she can just to promote nonsensical stuff. But I didn't know that she's all that foolish, because what she's trying to do is to tell people that Biafrans are not sensible enough to know their left or right. But that is not true. That is not true. We know what is playing now. We know how they're getting their view on X. Currently, as I'm talking to you now, they are restreaming because Sonat Barawa is even CNN. It cannot be that active. Sonat Barawa is always on day in day out without stopping, and he's doing that because they have equipped him to run private CNN pattern of broadcast, and he's doing that akap. So in all the stream, they make sure they're paid to have that premium package that will come with your sports views and everything. All these views are all fake. Okay, I know what they're doing. Like I said, so she's bragging about it, and we are not only this. There are so many other lies that push us to come out now to talk about it, and those lies we have talked about some of them in our previous post on our main platform. Those of you that follow us there, I believe you must have seen that. Also, blessed, what did you say again? He said, I believe your analysis because these people are doing more harm than good. Thank you so much, also blessed. Our own is to touchlight it. When I told them that we have 12 battery touch that we can light up and see, we can light it up in anywhere there's darkness for light to shine. They refuse to believe. But I believe they are not getting it, it's not making more sense to them, isn't it? It's not making more sense. So we by special grace of God, because that's why I have to run this program, to see if I can manage to connect the live stream again because we lost our package. The normal package that we normally use is not activated yet because of one of those things. If you know, you know. But anyway, let's continue. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you like the video. Now, like I told you, we are going to go straight to this, okay? Because it's very important. So let's start from Okute Biafra. Okute Biafra. Okute Biafra, many of you know him. Immediately after redeclaration of Biafra, this guy is one of those that they hired, of course. He's against USB government. He's saying a lot of things against USB government, just to make things difficult for Biafrans. Tagging DPM with all manner of names, just to get her, get to her nerves. And this guy called Okute Biafra, he made this post and he said, "This is time to wear your thinking cap." Now let us go through this. I believe this is WhatsApp group, WhatsApp message. He said orders from leaders in prison is crucial. He said it is critical, and subject to the free followers, because the leader in prison is critical and subject to the enemy. In the coming days, if not already, all Biafrans will be reasoning and seeing things properly, dumping emotions for reality as we get more brutal with truth. Nigeria's grand plan is to systematically hijack and destroy Biafra struggle by forcing leaders in prison to promote internal conflict, create fake leadership with Nigeria's agents. Ngozi Orabeze's USB failed. Now, remember what I told you. Those of you that are following me on my main platform, please, I want to use the opportunity to encourage you. There is a video that I dropped today. Okay, the last one, even the previous one, go and watch those videos. Go and watch it. And after watching it, tell me, some of you have done that, but the last one that will drop, I'm begging you to go and watch it. We talked about similar thing that this guy just said here. And you may like to know what is that. Calling USB Ngozi is a sign, is a proof of who these guys are. USB is not USB Ngozi, like this guy called it here. It doesn't belong to Ngozi, but they will always use this USB Ngozi just to make it look like it's about Ngozi. But the truth remains that this has nothing to do with Ngozi. Not that Ngozi is not involved, but it's not about her. It's about different. And this had been the plan of the PM before it was taken. I have discussed this in that video. I think I tried my best because I showed you some examples there in that video where we talked about it in a way that it will make more sense if you understand. USB, the plan, everything has been there. I mentioned that United States of Biafra platform on X was established or registered back then in 2023. The logo, everything was designed when PM was here. So all of a sudden, the announcement that is USB Ngozi is a sign that these guys, they're deliberately doing what they're doing just to make sure that they attack PM, because this is a direct attack on PM, not even CS, not even DPM. But guess what? He said, with Nigerian agents, Ngozi Orabeze's USB failed. How did he fail? I don't blame him because he's living in Nigeria, though. This guy is somewhere in Imo State, hiding somewhere in Imo State or Lagos State. So what do you expect? Someone who is not, he barely have light. Oh, open get fuel, generator. Can he see? Can he even use his electric fan? So imagine somebody who is like that coming out to tell you what people are seeing or having access to on internet. If you cannot have electricity, how much more having internet? Have a Glow network and the internet MTN network cannot help you to do research or to even watch a full video of 4 hours. So this is people that are telling you, because don't blame him. He's actually searching for if I get US romance in our report, because Ogenkere, cheerful giver, recruited all of them. That is the reason why Eunice BP dropped her P2B's chant, begin to talk about Biafra. And some of them, wants to flash money in their face, they begin to go gaga. And some of them that have not been in anything leadership, they see an opportunity for their voice to be heard. That is what criminals do. And so don't blame them. I understand the urge. I understand the circumstances that surround what they're doing. They're actually looking for a way to enrich themselves, which is what Ogenkere have enabled them. He has enabled that for them, and they're enjoying life. Okay. Here we are struggling. I'm looking for a way to get those packages to pay my StreamYard and everything, to get everything done. And some people are cashing out, you know what I mean? So you can compare. You can see the gap. You can compare. But instead of them to allow their brain, their conscience to help them, they sow their conscience. What they're doing, they're ever ready to go wide and attacking people. Now, this guy called Okute TV didn't stop there. He said, first and first, he said that Ngozi USB failed. Emma Madabo, that is Emma Madabo CRC BGC failed. It is non-IPOB DOS fourth administration, which has equally failed before arrival. What people don't know is bigger than them. Biafran Republic government in exile, that's fake Gogegera, and Biafran de facto government in homeland, BDGIH, led by Ogechukwu Nkere as prime minister, is the only legitimate and serious entity for Biafran freedom and nightmare to the enemy, Biafran de facto government. This fool. That's why I said, go and watch the video that I dropped on my main platform. If you watch that video and you did not pick something there, then put it on the comment section and let me know that. Maybe just tell me, I am Okechukwu Okeke. I fall back, but even though from the pit where I am unable to understand what you said. Or I'm a USB citizen, but I have listened to your voice or your message. I couldn't pick any meaningful thing from there. Just put it on the comment section. I don't mind to engage you there by making sure that you understand what I said there. Now, even if you require for me to come back and do a video about it, I will do it for you to understand, because it's going to help you for your own good. So that is what they do. That is the good Biafra. Like he want to call himself, this guy, faceless individual that signed for propaganda and to promote criminality. Biafran de facto that he mentioned, look at him here. Biafran de facto department. He said, Biafran de facto government said, Nnamdi Kanu was courageous to speak the truth about Raf Wazurike. Samuneba was courageous to speak the truth about default IPOB DOS. Unfortunately now, Kanu and Ekpa is in prison, missing. He said they're in prison, messing up the struggle. So they went to prison just for them to mess up the struggle. He himself talking, faceless, voiceless, only to that. He said, we will be courageous to speak the truth about them to free Biafra. Okay. That they are going to be courageous to speak the truth. Okay? And about them. That is PM Amas Namarukano. to free Biafrans. So people that hold Biafrans now are Mazam Kano and the PM. Oh, speaking of being courageous, he refused to be courageous to show his face and his voice, but he's courageous to attack people in the prison. No matter what Kanda and their group will do now, I cannot attack Mazamakan until I heard it from people that I trust. And that is why we are going to come back later to even talk more about this, what is going on, and even about the claim that Mazamakan said, lawyer visited Mazamakan. We are going to come back later this evening to dwell more on that. By special grace of God, if you manage to have access to log in to stream, I will do that, for you. And please keep your eyes on our all channels. Make sure you subscribe and share the video, because one thing I want to call your attention to is this. Let me go back to what this guy said here. This is the time to wear your thinking cap. In their WhatsApp group, based on what I can see from them, what they are posting randomly, they have agreed to dish out a very media attack. Ogenkere media. Okay, this is their group. They have vowed to come out of social media to attack, because their media are not competent enough. That's why Success Worker has joined them. A whole CDS of Ogenkere. The only man that is CDS, which is Chief of Defense Staff, without any army. Zero army. But they have Chief of Defense Staff. The level of criminality from Ogenkere camp is beyond human comprehension. Is unknown to this. In fact, the world have not seen this level of criminality and idiocy. Ogenkere have taken idiocy to the next level. That it will take Longman Dictionary New Edition or Oxford New Edition to include, maybe to find a vocabulary to define the level of criminality and stupidity of Ogenkere and his group. These guys refuse to wear masks while robbing people. But our own is to remind us, I am not here to do saga. It's just to be realistic, to go straight to the point and point out things that matters, things that you need to know, so that it's left for you to make use of it. If you want to contribute, you come out and contribute peacefully without any quarrel. He said here, there's something he said here, in the coming days, listen, here, in the coming days, if not already, all Biafrans will be reasoning and seeing things properly, dumping emotion for reality as we get more brutal, with the truth. Because when I see Eunice post, Eunice BP, Success Weke, de facto, all of them are now on social media. But what they don't know is that they cannot do media war to surpass what DOS Kuje DOS have done on social media. They cannot do that. We have seen brutal attack, media war, well refined, and the population is second to none. But France also swallow them and feed them with the fat and figure. Today they are struggling to the extent that they started begging Masankano, who is in prison, to add his voice for PM to be relegated. Some of you don't know the reason why they want PM to talk in the court is for them to buy more, leverage, have more, they have more relevance in the eyes of Biafrans, in the eyes of the general public. But today, they are sounding like what you are sounding now. They are doing the same thing that you yourself are doing now. Pretending that Mas Namdekan, you don't need to listen to him because he's in prison. It's not the same with Mas Samareba, Biafran Prime Minister. What these criminals do is that they will come around and tell you that we don't listen to somebody in prison. We don't listen to somebody in the prison. But prison differs. PM, who is in Finland, his right as somebody who is in prison has not been denied of him. He's not going through torture. The last time we checked, I have not seen anybody say that PM Samonegba is going through torture or humiliation or intimidation. Our brother that visited, and likewise other people, have confirmed that he's okay. There's no cause for alarm. That does not mean that he's living life in prison. What it means is that he's being taken care of. As someone who is in prison, the law is there. The treatment is that they give every other person. They are giving it to him as well. So you can't compare somebody who is in Finland prison with somebody who is in any prison in Africa, let alone Nigeria. So when PM said we don't listen to people in we don't listen to in DSS dungeon, not even in prison, DSS dungeon. They are not the same thing. And PM, when he said that, he was doing something. You don't do anything. The same, briefcase that you carry to Washington DC, like in Dama Jehovah, is still what you are carrying, not even till now. Without any proper presentation, no achievement, not the same thing that you used to do when PM was here. And PM openly made it clear that it's everything that is going on is actually awareness that the movement, the freedom will get to the next level after declaration. Then, in the midst of declaring that declaration, those of you that are shouting Batobe, is not calling him names, and he refused to accept that Biafra has been really declared. Anyway, most of you went to Finland to declare it. I didn't go there. I don't have access. But you went there. You that also went there, and I'm telling me that that you don't even know where to travel to Finland. Now, all of a sudden, there's no need to declare it because Brgie is like a mini bus that will carry you to USB. That sounds like a deliberate attack on entire movement. So let us quickly move to another thing. But before then, I have some people on here on my comment section. Let me send my greetings to you because this morning we have Asochuku Morrison. He said, my brother, I greet you, doing good. Happy New Week to you. USB is well. I hear you. Thank you so much. Happy New Week to you. Ifediche. Uche Dike said, Mazen Mwa Chineke, you are doing a very, very good work for Biafran 10 times. Very much, bro. Very, very much, bro. Thank you for that. Triple M is here. I see you, Triple M. I'm a citizen of United States of Biafra. I'm a citizen of United States of Biafra. I'm a citizen of United States of Biafra. That's what Triple M put there. Triple, I greet you. Good morning to you. Nigeria must go out of the United States of Biafra. Wait, you are distracting me. You are distracting me. You are actually distracting me. I'll come. I hope you will stay one place, okay? Are you okay? It's okay. It's okay. All right. So he said Nigeria must go out of the United States of Biafra land. As USB is now a sovereign nation, Nigeria must go out of. Okay, you repeat it again. And we have Stripper said again, greetings to you, Mazakai report, one name, madam. I greet you. Greetings to you, all my genuine fellow Biafran citizens. Triple, I see you. Good morning, Biafrans. That's Amadichi Gozie. Good morning to you, my brother. Esther said, very good morning to you, Mazi. Thanks so much for your relentlessness. you will be richly blessed. Lots of love. Thank you so much, Esther. God bless you. I really appreciate your comments. There, guys, kindly hit the like button and like button and share the podcast widely. There will again. You said all enemies of USB are heading to the Red Sea. You can make a Red Sea. of Ghana give ready to the Red Sea. I love that. Anyway, thank you so much, Robert. Let's go. So that is this criminal. So the so-called de facto is also because they're having, like I told you, if you read this thing that I've read already, you understand that he said they're going to, they will come out brutal and all that attack and all that. So we they have started it already. Nnamdi Kanu, that's from different de facto government, another criminal gang. Nnamdi Kanu was courageous to speak the truth about Raf Wazirike. Simon Ekpa was courageous. Hey. Just hold on, please. I don't like this noise, honestly. Okay, sorry about that. Yes, keep quiet. It's okay. What? The phone. It's charging. Wait. Okay. You don't need to distract me. All right, so let's continue, please. This de facto, as you know, is one of the instruments of Ogenkere as well. Okay. So this guy was instrument of Ogenkere media. Okay, sorry that I am somehow being distracted, but let's continue. I'm gonna read it again. Nnamdi Kanu was courageous to speak the truth about Raf Wazirike. Simon Ekpa was courageous to speak the truth about the defunct IPOB DOS. Unfortunately, now Kanu and Ekpa is in prison, messing up the struggle. Messing up the struggle. We will be courageous to speak the truth. We'll be courageous to speak the truth about them. Okay? To free Biafra. This is something somebody hide under one logo called the de facto. Na-akọ ihe n'ọnya chefuzie onye chiri ọzọ. Anofia by this time 2020, the man is about the federal government. Or what any idea? This is just hide here. He don't know anything called de facto, let alone government. But today, Fanta Bondena Atako. Eunice said here, nothing but the truth on our the person. Nothing but the truth, but only a few persons will gather the courage to speak the truth. We speak the truth no matter whose us is grudge. And I call it. This Eunice, another criminal, very, very much criminal. Now, the same Eunice come, look at what she said here. Even in the heat of the World Cup, even in the heat of World Cup final, over 3,000 people were and are still listening to Voice of Biafra and the Brgie channels on S. Now listen. Emma, and I will tell you this. We said we remain unstoppable. Biafra remains the goal. Now, we'll screenshot to say those things. Now, 1,500 here and 500 watching. So, check. Oh, but I'm going to 3,000 something. And 1,000. So now each over 3,000. This is just 2,500 something. And this number is from paid platform. If you subscribe, on X, like I myself, I subscribed, but I subscribed basic one. If you subscribe premium, Ibia Life, Faga will really give you. In an other one. Faga will really give you. But Imagono, everybody this woman. I'm telling you. Eunice is one of the, it's just like rain or mockery. Why? Eunice BP. It's just like rain or mockery. Why? And she actually doing this thinking that she's smart. That is very, very laughable. She's doing all those things thinking that she's smart. We know what you are doing. We know you can actually get it done. Last time, when Biafra Unite was using Primo package, I told us that this view they are seeing is actually being paid for. If you have the package from streaming platform, it will give you that. If you can afford it, it's your money. Ogenkere is so desperate to buy followers. The man is constantly paying his media team and paying people. He didn't start it now. Building of Kaaba that he built started from that. Recruiting people and giving them laptops to advance, their course. Okay? So, just a moment. Sorry about that. I have to, check on my baby. You see, what you need to understand is that we are not fools. People know the tactics they are using. Unless if you don't want to know, it's okay. If you don't want to know, it is actually okay. It is not on you, okay, to know. But if you want to know, you know. If you pay for those packages, you will see yourself having what you want to have. When Biafra Unite, was, they were bragging about it, I told us, it's not what you think. Now, Ogekere know that he's going down. When it comes to supporting, they are not there. And for you to easily know that what I'm telling you is truth. Sonat Barawa is the media team, isn't it? He's the person behind the system, broadcasting and streaming. Why is it that each time because he's also streaming on his own platform? Because he did not subscribe to his own platform. If he's live, you will be seeing 12, 3, 4. His YouTube is 4, maximum 6. If somebody is streaming live, nobody watches it. This same Sonat that is behind the mic that you are hearing on X, and 1,500 is watching him. Now, I want you to watch this because I purposely, screenshot. This is just this morning. Okay, I made a screenshot this morning. Look at this place. Now, look at this very, very well. What you are seeing on the screen. The last one is Channels TV. Channels TV was live a couple of hours ago, or minutes ago, before I started this live broadcast. So when I was designing this picture you are seeing now, I screenshot this place. So now what is still, he's still streaming now, I believe. Or has it ended? I think, let me go back. Let me go back and see. I think he's no longer streaming now, I believe. But this guy, hold on. Okay, he's no longer streaming now. Maybe he's trying to restart another system because it do not take 1 hour or 2 hours now. He will use the second system to start for the other system to rest for midnight broadcast also. Because the guy is running like a CNN non-stop. Because the premium package they paid, they have to utilize it before they expire, before the thing will expire. So while setting this up, I screenshot their streaming. This morning, I'm not telling you yesterday, what I seen this morning. When he was streaming, Channels TV was also live streaming. Now, since Ogenkere VOP that they just opened few months ago, 1,600K. So now, Barawa VOP, that the one he shared 1,100. Ogenkere down here, the Brgie PM, because that is the platform they're using. He's only 720. Now, people, a whole Channels TV that is streaming live on X, it have only 260 people watching. You see the Channels TV, Channels TV, only 260 watching. This morning, this thing happened this morning. So now Barawa and his VOP is having 1,000 something. That is green screen viewers. Okay? Green screen. It is not real. It is fake view. And that is just what it is. I know it will be difficult for some people to understand, but my own, now to tell you the truth. If Biafran can overcome SDUS, who is fallback group of company Nigeria PS, they don't know now. And unfortunately for them, they were not even active on social media when that battle was fought. So they don't know the nitty-gritty of the whole of that fight. They think that it's just walk in the park. Very, very easy. It doesn't matter. I can just do this and do that. But it is not. It requires, determination, seriousness for you to even compare. For you to even compare. Anyway, please make sure you like the video. We're gonna wind down very, very soon. I told you this is just a short broadcast that I just want to have with you here this morning. So please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'm begging you to subscribe. Very, very important. If you don't mind, subscribe to the channel and make sure you also drop your comment. Let us know what you think about that. Some of our people don't take, when you talk about Ogenkere and this is their group, they will say, "Car report, you are promoting them. You are promoting them. No need, you are promoting them." Listen, it's not because of promoting or promotion. It is because we have to set the record straight. Some will watch like this morning. Many of our people they will click in to watch and they will check out. They will click in to watch. That's why you see the view is not even progressing. It's not progressing. But when I go to backstage, if I tell you that more than 50 people have clicked on this live broadcast, you will not believe me. Judging by the people that's watching steadily, you will think that this live stream have not generated up to 30 people, but more than 50 people have watched the video. But because I am exposing these people, some people think that it's not important. It's not important. They can't report. Let's just focus. You are focusing, but some people are believing stupidity. Your brain is able to understand the truth behind what they're doing. It is your duty and your responsibility to stop them from taking anybody away, because your people, they are ready to drown your people. They are ready to drown our people. And the best way to stop them is to make sure you go after what they're doing by making sure you point it out the way it is. So you that is checking in, you are not encouraging us that are exposing this. Imagine me abandon what I'm supposed to be doing to stream live, talking about people, making an enemy to myself, because you think Ogenkere like me? They will not like what I'm saying. If you ask them now to make one of number one enemy, they will tell you can't report this one. But I don't see them as my enemy. I don't have anything against them, like holding grudges against them. No. And I want them to understand this. I'm not your enemy. I just want us to be truthful to ourselves for the sake of our brothers and sisters, for the sake of our people. Not because I drive joy in, talking about people. I'm not Lazuba. Do you understand? I'm not Lazuba. And I have other things to talk if I want. So you that is checking in and checking out, if we are all of us begin to check, I don't want to just go low and begin to watch other people. I can do that. and ignore and focus on that. Even if I want to create content, it will be totally out of what is concerning our people. I can begin to talk about, African politics, something like that. If I want to maintain politics or politics news or information, I can begin to react on what is going on in Sahel. I can do that. The news will know. I will not lack. Or to start talking about, Kenya politics, South African politics. We can start do that. We can, or even American politics. You can do it. So the only thing there, people, your own little contribution is massively needed. You need to encourage. I'm not speaking to myself alone. Those that don't know that they are being real to you. Because one thing you need to appreciate is that person, those that are telling you the truth. Almost everything I'm talking about and their group is centers on that truth, being truthful, being realistic, being focused. That is where the whole thing is centered. But some people don't like it because it affects their source of income. They see it as an attack on their well-being, an attack on their life and all that. But things need to be changed. We must say it the way it is without holding back. So please, if you are not used to live video or subscribe or support, I think this is the time for you to start doing that. This is the time for you to start doing that. It is actually encouraging, and it is good to see, and it's good to know. So we are going to continue. I have one more thing to share with us before we end, and that is also from Eunice PB. Eunice PB made a post and said this. Let's go there, okay? Now, this one, I see it, this message is, I see it as an insult. I see it as an mockery. I see it as an a kind of wickedness. On 8th day of April 2023, Simon Ekpa was elected into office of Biafran. He said he was elected into office by Biafrans and did not self-impose himself as prime minister. After 1 year of being in prison, Brgie also elected him out. Brgie also elected him out of the office, then elected into office a new prime minister of Brgie, Ogechukwu Nkere, okay, and spokesperson, okay, and the spokesperson. Why are you not comfortable now, you hypocrites? We go forward, no backward. Okay, now let's just quickly go through this. Let me tell you something, because if you read it the way it is now, many of us may not understand what I'm about to say in this video, in this post rather. And in fact, you know what? Let me ask us, please. You can read it from your end. Can you quickly read this post and tell me what you can make out of it on the comment section? Let me see how many of us are actually active here. Can you quickly read this and tell me what you can make out of this post? Let me know how many of us that are active in this live broadcast, or let me know if I'm actually talking to myself. 1 or 2 persons is enough for me. Okay. While you are reading it, let me be reading it from my end. On the 8th day of April 2023, Simon Ekpa was elected into office by Biafrans, and did not self-impose himself as PM, that's Prime Minister. After 1 year of being in prison, Brgie also elected him out. They elected him out of office, then elected into office a new Prime Minister of Brgie, Ogechukwu Nkere, and spokesperson. Why are you not comfortable now? She's asked. You hypocrites, we go forward, not backwards. Now, while waiting for people to comment, because I know this is morning, many of you may not have the time. But I would have preferred to hear from, even if it's one person, reading this post here, what do you make out of it? Let me wait a little bit before I further ahead. What can you make out of this post? How many of us can pick something from it? How many of us? Edith have made a comment. Let me see. Please repeat this package report on one Saturday again. Which package are you talking about, please, my dear? Please repeat this package report on one Saturday again. Let me understand what you mean. Edit. What do you mean? You mean I should repeat this particular program another day? And you actually mentioned a day that you prefer Saturday. Edit, let me understand. Your message is not that clear to me. I would have preferred to understand your line of suggestion. Are you saying that you are not comfortable now to pick or to make sense out of what you are saying? Or you would have preferred us to repeat it on a Saturday, maybe when somebody is around you? I don't understand. I don't want to guess or make me out of it for I don't want to make a mistake. Okay. So can you tell me what you mean by that? Because I've read it second times and I'm unable to understand why you said what you said. Because remember, I'm not there with you, so I'm actually far from you, and you may not know, you may not see, I may not know what prompt what you said, but you can also let me know. Anyway, since our people are very cold about it, let me just say for the sake of those that may watch it later, okay? Because I believe some of you are highly engaged. Now let's continue. In the post, as you can see here, this woman says something. First and first, she mentioned that Simon Ekpa was elected into office by Biafrans, not Brgie. By Biafran, not Brgie cabinet. Okay? Then again, he said, I did not self-impose. So he said that he did not self-impose himself, as PPM after 1 year of being Prime Minister of Brgie. After they elect him out and they put another person in, and the person that they replaced him with was elected by Brgie, according to this idiotic woman. The question is, Brgie from where? Who are these Brgie? What are they made of? What is the intention of Brgie? And who is behind the Brgie? But when he mentioned about PM Samanekpa, she said that PM was elected into office by Biafrans. And here she's talking about Brgie. Brgie that have been splitted into how many groups? Only cabals managed to recruit their colleague, pretending to be helping you and giving you freedom. That is laughable. Edith said, Saturday people will be at home to listen to most of this reminding great information. Okay, now I understand you. But I can assure you that Saturday is not the best day for us. I've been streaming for a couple of years now, so I can assure you based on my own calculation, Saturday is not that best day for live stream. I'm just being real. Unless you want to stream it probably late hour, that kind let's say, and maybe 6 p.m., 5 p.m., in fact 7 p.m. down, something like that, but not every time, because fundraising is also on and all that. All right, so I will try my best to see if I can do what you requested. I will try my best to see, but it's not a promise, my dear. It's not a promise. Judging by the fact, like I told you, many of our people are not encouraging. That's why sometimes I wonder how DPM is moving forward, how she's coping, because our people are behaving as if they're actually helping you, whereas you are the one receiving the bullet. Ejukumobile and can name video yeah, to be honest with you, you have to be well grounded to have to wear thick skin to enjoy the attitude and characters of our people. Anyway, thank you so much for your time. God bless all of you. Please make sure you like the video before you go. And of course, if you're gonna watch later, please, I also need your comments. God bless you and take care of yourself. Day one. Bye bye for now.